World-class customer experience right here in Oklahoma. That's Collision Works Tulsa Hills. We know there's a better way to repair vehicles, and we found it. Inside this state-of-the-art facility is some of the finest technology in the world, driven by the desire to serve customers better. What makes it so advanced? Collision Works Tulsa Hills is one of just a handful of body shops in the country, and the first in Oklahoma to use the CIMAC fixed-line system. Developed in Italy, home to some of the most upscale cars in the world, the fixed-line system features a better layout and faster process, combining patented Drytronic technology, specialized robotics, and the CIMAC paint application process. This investment in the future of bodywork allows us to cut in half the normal time it would take to repair and paint a vehicle. No matter the material involved, aluminum, carbon fiber, steel, the fixed-line system can handle the job. The rolling rail system moves vehicles through the shop, identifying the damage, disassembly and repair, and then comes the color. The quick dry, precision paint process is so speedy, it allows for 12 to 14 vehicles a day, improving efficiency. And the quality is never in question here, because it's not just the machines that makes this place special. The Collision Works Tulsa Hills team is second to none. Experienced, respected, dedicated to doing it right. It's just all part of the world-class customer service we've come to expect of ourselves.